Hi everyone, welcome back. So today GFG problem of the day is sorting elements of an array by frequency. We are given an array of integers ARR. We have to sort the array according to the frequency of elements. That is, the elements that have the higher frequency comes first. If the frequencies of two elements are the same, then the smaller number comes first. So this is a clear-cut question, direct question. We just have to implement it. But how shall we do that? How to sort the elements based on frequency. So first we see the constraints. The constraints are the values shall range from 1 to 10 to the power 5. So we can get the frequency using an array in this question. We can do using array, but today we shall see HashMap. We shall implement this question using HashMap. We shall see several functions of HashMap and how to use it for frequency. Because the thing is that in array a lot of space is wasted. Because see, if we just have 5 numbers and we are creating a 10 to the power 6 array, that is a lot of wasted space. Second thing is that if this question comes for array elements ranging from 1 to 10 to the power 9, how shall we do that? Or if it comes for strings, for frequency of strings, how shall we do that? So for frequency questions, one thing that is commonly used is HashMap, because in HashMap the search time is O1 for average case. So today we will see the implementation using HashMap. So we shall create a map for storing the frequency. For integer is the number and integer next is the frequency. We have created a hash map. Now we will take all the elements from the R array. We have put a loop on array for int I in ARR. What we have to do, in one line we shall get the frequency and increase it. So we have to put map.put number, comma. We have to get the frequency from our map, the previous frequency. If it is not there, then we have to take 0 and increase it by 1. So this whole work will be done by this get or default. If we already have the frequency, we shall get it. Otherwise, 0. So map.get.default I comma 0 and increase it by 1, previous frequency plus 1, because one more element we have got in ARR. And we shall put that for I. So this was the meaning of this line. This is a commonly used statement in HashMap. This has reduced our conditions and all, otherwise we would have to use if. So this is the use of these functions in map. Now after this loop we would have got the frequencies of all our numbers in our HashMap, number and its frequency. Now the next part comes is sorting based on frequency. So our numbers would be our key and frequencies would be our values, right? Now how shall we sort it? First of all, we have to get all the entries from our map. We have to get all the key value pairs from our map. We could create another 2D array and get all those and sort the array, that we could do. But today we will shall see some more functions of HashMap, that is map.entrySet. Map.entrySet is a function which returns the set of all the entries in which each object is a map.entry object. So we shall get that set, but we have to sort it. We cannot sort the set, so we have to convert it into array list, because we can apply the sorting function on array list. So we have created a list of map.entry objects in which we have integer and integer key and integer value. This is our entry object, map.entry. This we will store in our list. And where shall we get this? From our map hashmap.entrySet method. This entrySet will return a set of map.entry objects. We have converted that to a array list so that we could sort it. So this line does this function, get all the entries from the map and converts it to a list. After getting a list, we just have to sort it. Now sorting, we do not like to write a whole function to sort it. We just want to use the inbuilt functionalities of the collections framework. So we will use collections dot sort. What we have to sort? We have to sort this list. Now we have to pass our custom comparator because we want to sort based on our logic. So we have passed our comparator. This is a function, comparator function. We have used I1 and I2 are two iterators. You can consider them two map.entry objects, two objects of the type of the list. So this is I1 is first entry, I2 is second entry. Now how we have to sort them? Based, if the frequencies are same, based on the smaller number, otherwise based on frequency. This is what we have to do. So we have to check if the frequencies are same. Frequencies are our values. Remember, key is our number and frequency is our value. So we shall compare those values if they are equal or not. So if I1 dot get value is exactly equals to I2 dot get value, if the values are same, then sort them based on their numbers in ascending order. Smaller one comes first. So value numbers are in the keys. So I1 dot get key minus I2 dot get key means the smaller number comes first, because first entry minus second entry means ascending order. Second entry minus first entry means descending order. So in ascending order we have sorted if the values are same. If the values frequencies are not same, we have to sort based on frequencies. So that too in descending order, higher to lower. So I2 dot get value minus I1 dot get value. This will sort based on the frequencies. If the frequencies are same, based on number in smaller number and descending frequency. So this is how we use comparators and inbuilt functions of HashMap and collections. So after that, our list would be sorted based on these conditions given in the question. Now we just have to make our answer list. So we have created a new array list answer. Now we will take each entry object from our list. Map.entry integer comma integer e. E represents the entry that we get from the list. Now for each entry we will be having key and value. Key will be the number and value will be the frequency, how many times that is coming. So that many times we have to add that number to our answer list. So we shall put a loop from I to e dot get value, e dot frequency, this means frequency, and that many times we will add the key to our answer. Answer dot add e dot get key. So we are getting number and frequency, and till the frequency we are adding that number to our answer. After that we shall return the answer. So this was the simple solution. I would not say simple using HashMap, but this is easy and short approach. Once you get the idea of these functions, you shall use it in several programs, because frequency questions are very common and HashMap is used for those questions. So I hope you guys would have got the idea. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun. Bye bye.